recognition for being an NC2 passer. Verbosidad Kian, Loyalty Award. Yobo Rensuri, Loyalty Award. Again, requesting the parents to come up on stage. To receive and hand down the medals. Congratulations, males. Let's proceed to the female awardees. We have Abing Yunisme Ogdol, Loyalty Award, and NC2 Passer. Rochelle Solivio, NC2 Passer. Caceres Vaidi Handon, Loyalty Award, NC2 Passer. Delgado Reforme, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. She also received Certificate of Recognition as NC2 Passer, Work Immersion Award, and Loyalty Award. Ilombre Jocelyn Macapala, Work Immersion Award, NC2 Passer. Ana Janela, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors. She will also receive Certificate of Recognition, Work Immersion Award, Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood or TVL Award, Loyalty Award, and NC2 Passer. TVL Award are given to those students who have an outstanding academic performance in the TVL subjects during the school year 2023-2024. Academic Excellence Awardee Angel May Handog with honors. She also received Loyalty Award, TVL Award, Service Award, Arts Award, and Work Immersion Award. Handog Lizame Yuko, Loyalty Award. Handog Rina Palalon, Loyalty Award. Kadusali Nicole Elirin, Loyalty Award, NC2 Passer. Kitani Winsel, Loyalty Award, NC2 Passer, Work Immersion Award. Requesting the parents to come up on stage and hand down the medals. Congratulations, ladies. We have the second batch, Lamari Hazel Joy Handog, Loyalty Award, NC2 Passer. Academic Excellence Award, Liman Kisme Handog, with honors. She will also receive the following awards: Loyalty Award, Technical, Vocational, and Livelihood Award, Service Award, Arts Award, Work Immersion Award. Service Award are given to the students having initiative and contribution to the school-based activities during the school year 2023-2024. And Arts Award are given to outstanding students who excel in academic performance in stage arts, visual arts, and communication arts during the school year 2023-2024 of Palayuhan High School. Certificate of Recognition, Lisundra Charis Faith Paltinga Loyalty Award, NC2 Passer. And she also received an Academic Excellence Award with high honors. Mariano Marveros Iliema, Loyalty Award. Palon Jillian May, Loyalty Award. Academic Excellence Award is given to Paltinga Ria May with honors. She will also receive a Loyalty Award, Research Award, Work Immersion Award. Research Award are given to students having an outstanding academic performance in practical research during the school year 2023-2024 at Palayuhan High School. Certificate of Recognition, Ramirez Kathleen Escopete, Loyalty Award, Work Immersion Award, NC2 Passer. Ramirez Crescia Escopete, Loyalty Award, NC2 Passer. Certificate of Recognition is given to Rain Kim, Loyalty Award, Service Award, and Work Immersion Award. Requesting the parents to come up on stage to hand down the medal to your respective awardee. Congratulations, the second batch of awardee for the Freemans. Congratulations, ladies. Another set of awardee for the graduating class of school year 2023-2024. Rhoda Criza Eluren, NC2 passer. Academic Excellence Award is given to Selva Christine Melody with honors. She will also receive the following awards: Loyalty Award, TVL Award, Service Award, Arts Award, Research Award, Work Immersion Award. Leadership Award is given to students having an initiative and imparting knowledge to school-based activities during the school year 2023-2024 of Palayuhan High School. Congratulations. Sindo Lizame Abrasado, Loyalty Award. Jasmine Tercio Tuayon, Loyalty Award. Tento Hanabi Handog, Loyalty Award. Chongko B. Leah Jane Chongko, Loyalty Award, Service Award, and Work Immersion Award. Torres Lairami Insilay, Loyalty Award. Academic Excellence Awardee to Mala Cristina Angeles with honors. She will also receive TVL Awards and NC2 passer. Veranzes Natalie, Academic Excellence Awardee with honors, Work Immersion Award, and NC2 passer.